Bathrooms are more than just functional spaces. They're part of your home's comfort, style, and even resale value. Designing a bathroom properly means following building codes for safety, planning for comfort, and avoiding costly mistakes. Today, we'll cover half baths, full bathrooms, and master bathrooms, giving you all the rules of thumb, best practices, and mistakes to avoid so you can design a space that works beautifully for years to come. Section 1. Half bath or powder room. A half bath or powder room includes only a toilet and sink. It's usually for guests, so it should be compact but comfortable. Code requirements and minimum clearances. Toilet, 15 inches from center to sidewall, 21 inches minimum in front, 24 to 30 inches recommended. Ceiling height, minimum 6 feet 8 inches over fixtures, 7 feet recommended. Ventilation, either a window or an exhaust fan vented outside. Best practices, large mirrors visually expand the room. Include storage, small shelves or medicine cabinets for essentials. Water-resistant flooring like tile or vinyl. Common mistakes. 1. Cramped layouts. Toilet or sink too close to walls. Second door swing hits fixtures. 3. No ventilation. Leads to mold and mildew. 4. Poor lighting. Small spaces need bright, even light. 5. No storage. No shelf for toilet paper or towels. 6. Mirrors too small or too high. 7. Choosing a deep or wide sink that blocks floor space. 8. Slippery floors. Glossy tiles without traction. 9. Dark colors that make the space feel closed in. 10. No focal point. Space looks plain without artwork or backsplash. Section 2. Full bathroom. A full bathroom has a toilet, sink, and a bathtub or shower. These serve family members or guests, so functionality and comfort are key. Code requirements and minimum clearances. Toilet, 15 inches from center to sides, 21 inches minimum in front. Sink, vanity, minimum 20 inches wide, 21 inches deep, 15 inches side clearance. Shower. Here is most common shower sizes. Minimum 30 inch by 30, ideally 36 inch by 36 for comfort. Bathtub, 24 inch clear space in front minimum. Ventilation, window or fan vented outside. Best practices include storage, linen cabinets or recessed shelves. Common mistakes. 1. Crowding fixtures too closely. 2. Doors swing into fixtures. 3. Shower or tub too small. 4. Towel bars too far from shower or sink. 5. Poor lighting, single ceiling light is not enough. 6. Insufficient ventilation, windowless bathrooms without a fan. 7. Ignoring clearance in front of vanity or toilet. 8. Sloped or uneven shower floor. 9. No storage, leads to clutter. 10. Bad material choices, porous stone or low-quality tile. 11. Wet, dry zones not separated. Water spills onto vanity or toilet. 12. Ignoring accessibility. No grab bars or non-slip features. Before we get into Section 3, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. If you find this helpful, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Section 3, Master Bathroom. The master bathroom is your personal retreat. Comfort, luxury, storage, and functionality all matter. Code requirements and minimum clearances. Shower, minimum 36 inches by 36 inches. Ideally 42 inches by 60 inches for comfort. Walk-in zero threshold recommended. Freestanding tub, 4 to 6 inches from wall, 24 inches clear space in front. Toilet compartment, minimum 30 inches wide by 60 inches deep. 36 inches wide is more comfortable. Doors must not reduce fixture clearances. Ventilation, fan vented outside, window optional. Best practices: separate wet zone, shower.tub, and dry zone, toilet vanity. Layered lighting, overhead, task, accent, Dimmers are ideal. Storage, cabinets, drawers, linen closet. Plan for toiletries, towels, and cleaning supplies. Heated, non-slip floors for comfort and safety. Luxury touches, double sinks, walk-in shower, freestanding tub, built-in niches, benches, and well-placed mirrors. Common mistakes. 1. Over-designing. Unusual layouts can hurt resale value. 2. Poor workflow. Toilet too close to vanity, shower obstructing path. 3. Ignoring aging-in-place design, zero threshold showers, grab bars. 4. Insufficient storage. Even large master baths need drawers and linen space. 5. Slippery or cold flooring. 6. Small or poorly located shower nard tub. 7. Poor ventilation. Mold in large showers or near tubs. 8. Too many luxury features that require maintenance. Steam, multiple jets, TVs. 9. Bad mirror placement. Double vanities without separate mirrors. 10. Not planning for future upgrades, outlets, lighting zones, or extra space. Remember, building code sets the minimum, but comfort and functionality come from thoughtful design. By following these rules of thumb, considering proper clearances, planning storage, lighting and ventilation, and avoiding these common mistakes, you'll create a bathroom that's safe, beautiful, and functional, whether it's a small powder room or a luxurious master suite.